What's up guys, and welcome back to another video sponsored by Elegance. And in this video we are going to use the new Buttercream collection for summer 2020, the Nautical collection, and we're gonna create this set that you just saw. So if you want to know how I did that, just make sure to stick around. So let's start out with a base of just white buttercream on the pinky and the thumb, and then moving on to this fantastic blue called Anchors Away on the index finger. And then on the middle finger, we're gonna use All Hands on Deck, which is also a blue, but it has a little bit more of a purple tint to it. It's a little bit deeper, I would say. Continuing with Anchors Away on the ring finger, and this is where we're gonna create our little beach. So putting short thing right next to that first color, and then I'm just mixing them together. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna add those white bubbles in the center, so just do your best but don't overdo it. And I actually am going in here with another layer of that short thing and just fading it over that cured blue. So of course, if we're gonna use a nautical collection, we need stripy nails. So that is what I am doing right here. I was debating on using the classic red from this collection, but then I felt, you know, I wanna make it maybe a little bit softer, so I went in with Men Overboard, and I am creating the lines with the fantastic Stripy, which is doing all the work for you. Going in with some white gel paint and my stripe brush again to create the anchor. And as you could see, I was starting out with a dotting tool to create the little circle thing on top, and then just continuing with the stripy brush. So curing, and then taking my dotting tool once again and putting that blue dot right in the center. So we're moving on to the index finger and the steering wheel. It is probably named something more nautical-ish, but I don't know the word for that right now. But we're doing the steering wheel. My god, people are gonna kill me if you are a sailor or something. Applying super shiny to the blue part, and then flat matte onto short thing. So the water is gonna be shiny, and the beach or the sand is gonna be matte. And then I'm also adding that flat matte to all the other nails as well. Curing, wiping, and then I am taking my buffer and I'm going over the nails real quick just to even out any imperfections, and because I like the look of it, because it makes it a little bit more matte. So this is the fun part. So we're gonna go in with perfect white, mix some water with soap, and then put that over the perfect white, cure, and then you are left with this. After that, I'm just adding a little bit more white gel paint and taking a little bit of cleanser to spread that out. I managed to spread it out a little bit too much, so I'm actually gonna go in with a little bit extra white gel paint off camera. But just so you know, if you add a little bit too much cleanser, it's not the end of the world. Just wipe it off or cure it and then add more paint to the nail. And this is the final look. I would really love to see your take on this design, so please tag me in your videos or pictures if you try this out. Don't forget to follow Elegance for more tips, tricks, and product presentations, and make sure to not miss out on this fantastic collection that is out now. And if you are a client, make sure to request this collection with your favorite nail tech. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!